Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon O. And in this lesson, we'll see together les conjugaisons irrégulières and we'll especially work on les verbes that will end with uyer. Okay? Les verbes en uyer. And I wanted to take, well, simple verb. The verb is essuyer, so it means to wipe. Okay, essuyer. And we'll see that, this verb, like the others that will end with uyer, it will be a bit difficult, or they will change a little bit. So even if it's a regular verb, so it belongs to the first group of verbs ending with er, okay, but then you'll see that few modifications will be found. So we're talking about l'indicatif présent. We will see that le futur simple will be concerned as well, and then conditionnel présent and subjonctif présent. Okay, so for the other tenses, actually, this verb will behave like all the other regular verbs ending with er. Okay, so let's see now le présent and we'll have a look. So it's j'essuie, tu essuies, il essuie, nous essuyons, vous essuyez, ils essuient. Okay, and if you look carefully, then you can see that for the first form here, actually this y is changing, and now it's e. Okay, same thing here, and then it will be exactly the same thing here. Okay, for nous and vous, actually, it does respect the rule for the first group, or for the verbs ending with er, so actually you don't really modify it, you just put this y and after that the ending, so y and the ending. Okay, but then keep in mind that for the je, tu, il, and then il, in that case you can see that this y will be changed and it will be replaced by i. Okay, so let's see now le futur simple. J'essuierai, tu essuieras, il essuiera, nous essuierons, vous essuierez, ils essuieront. Okay, so it's exactly the same thing that, you can see that this y will be changed and modified and it will be replaced by this i, and you can see that in that case here for the futur simple form, it does concern all the forms. So je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so let's see now for the conditionnel présent. J'essuierai, tu essuierais, il essuierait, nous essuierions, vous essuieriez, ils essuieraient. And it's exactly the same modification, so this y is changed and modified with i here, so, and it does affect all the persons. Okay, and so finally, let's see le subjonctif présent. Que j'essuie, que tu essuies, qu'il essuie, que nous essuyons, que vous essuyez, and then qu'ils essuient. Okay, and exactly as we had for the present form of the indicatif, so the one we saw in just the first one. So same thing here. So y is changed and replaced by i. Okay, for je, tu, and il, and same thing for il at the plural form. So that's the only modifications you need to do. Okay, endings are staying the same and they don't change at all. Okay, so let's remember that if you've got these verbs, so ending with uyer, indicatif présent will be slightly modified as we saw, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent as well. Okay, so if you want more videos, then remember that youtube.com/imagier is waiting for you. I'm also on Facebook, so if you want to click on like, I will be so happy. And then, of course, more material can be found at the following address, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.